But now, are you satisfied with your smile? Our next guest can turn that frown upside down and give you a beautiful smile that you don't have to be ashamed of. Here to explain the beauty of porcelain veneers is Dr. Joel Stokes from Eastern Canyon Dental. Welcome back, Dr. Stokes.
Good morning. Thank you.
How are you?
I'm amazing.
Porcelain veneers can literally transform someone's face.
Absolutely. We've done some phenomenal work for a lot of our great patients here in Las Vegas and from people out of town. I just had a lady come in last weekend from Los Angeles, and we worked with her, and we're transforming her smile. And it's a great technique that I've been doing since 1984.
Wow.
Way back when they give the first courses at the old Hilton Hotel, and it was really great. And I said, wow, I really have a great opportunity to take care of people and transform these smiles without grinding their teeth all the way down anymore. It's a conservative technique. It's gentle. Most patients have very minimal, if any, downtime or sensitivity. One thing that we find in dentistry that people, number one, there's a couple things that hold people back.
Okay, well, the grinding down you mentioned,
Yeah,
and I have to tell you, I've seen people with their teeth
prepared.
Yeah, thank you. And it's alarming, and you think, why would I take away that good enamel to add this veneer on, or you don't have to do that?
Well, we do a little bit of reshaping. I used to give classes to other dentists about how to do this. The question is always, do you prepare the teeth or you don't prepare the teeth? The answer is yes. It depends on the nature of the case, what the demands of that are. If we want to create a little bit more contour, if we want to adapt things a little bit better, make sure that smile, we have to know what the goal is. The goal is to deliver a smile. Sometimes we take off a little less, sometimes we take off a little more. It all depends on what our goal is.
Exactly. And I know that you, well, first of all, you brought in a veneer for me, but you also mentioned a woman you've been working with in Los Angeles. You also had a great transformation recently with a client named Julie.
Absolutely. And unfortunately, Julie is under the weather today. She called me, but she's a terrific lady. And I met her through her very best friend, who I've been treating for years here on cosmetic dentistry standpoint.
Yeah.
And so she referred her in. She had some goals. Her teeth were not really bad, but we know that things don't have to be bad to be better.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So there were some goals that we established. We did some minor reshaping of the gum tissues and some reshaping of the teeth. And we delivered a smile was absolutely stellar.
I have to admit, I thought in the before picture, I said, well, her smile doesn't look too bad, but now it sort of has that.
It pops.
But look at it now. It looks like an advertisement. I mean, it looks fantastic.
It's straight and it's beautiful and high patient satisfaction. In fact, I think her husband is going to be coming in real soon to do the same thing. And this makes me very proud. And the fact that her very best friend I've been treating for like 20 years and her husband on cosmetic dentistry referred her to me.
Well, and I know that you've been doing this for decades, and your client base is basically a massive series of referrals. May I see this model that you brought in? What do we have here?
This is actually what a porcelain veneer looks like. It's a very thin layer of porcelain that is, careful.
Sorry, my bad.
That is crafted by an artisan in a laboratory. And these porcelain veneers are actually, we take them and we, through a process that have been developed over a long period of time, we actually laminate them or bond them right to the tooth. Okay?
Okay.
And it's amazing how stable they are. Well, we'll find that
Dr.
later.
Stokes,
it's okay.
I'm in big trouble right now because
we'll find it on the floor. But
if
we dropped it in the office, we'd be on our hands and knees looking for this thing, But it's okay. We forgive you.
I'm so sorry. Look, it was so tremendously thin, it flew right out of my hand.
Yeah, they are thin.
It was quite thin, though. And the amazing part is then when it goes on your tooth, it doesn't give that look of a big, chunky, fake tooth, because that can happen sometimes.
Depending on the skill of the dentist. Because, and I'm going to say, not all dentists are created equal when it comes to those skills.
Right.
It's a lot of years of experience, it's a lot of education, and it's just a lot of working with the product, working with the technology.
Absolutely.
And once again, I have great office staff. Some of my office staff members have veneers in their teeth. If somebody wants to come in and take a look, they can do that.
Well, and they should be motivated to come in right now because you're offering a $250 credit to
Yes.
anyone watching right now.
Anybody that would like to come in and do some porcelain veneers will give you a $250 credit, and that's a great thing. And
I'm gonna find that tooth during the commercial break. I'm so
yeah,
sorry.
Okay, that's okay.
Great
We
to have
forgive
you.
Okay, it's always good.
He's not only a great dentist, he's a great gardener as well. Eastern Canyon Dental is located on Southeastern Avenue, just south of Wigwam. Give them a call or visit thevegasdentist.com for more information. Eastern Canyon Dental is a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.